Hi Marketplace vendor! We're excited to show you how to generate your affiliate link token to start maximizing the size of your payable earnings. By sending your affiliate link to potential buyers, you have an opportunity to make 30% commission on the profit of a sale for new NumberBarn customers. Let me show you the ropes. Start by logging into your NumberBarn account. You will then need to become a member of our marketplace if you haven't applied already. Just click the orange button, Apply to Start Selling, to start the application process. Take a few moments to complete the application. Once approved, you can start benefiting from the many features of our marketplace tools. Okay, let's get started. From the Sell tab, navigate to Tools and click on Affiliate Link. If you haven't generated your link yet, there will be a green button here that says Generate Link. Click it and it automatically creates your unique affiliate link for your personal use. There are a number of fantastic ways to feature the affiliate link. For instance, you can copy and paste this link into an email or display it on your website for potential buyers. Pretend now that you have sent an email to your friend Kelly, who is excited to learn she could find a memorable vanity number at NumberBarn, thanks to you. Kelly receives the email and clicks on your affiliate link, transporting her to the NumberBarn search page. Here, she selects her snazzy new number. She checks out and a new NumberBarn account is created. Congrats on our referral sale! When Kelly's number activates, if it is a NumberBarn number and not one of your own numbers, you will receive an email notification with subject line Affiliate Link Purchase. In this email, it will display the purchase amount of the number, the commission you earned, and the affiliate link token. In our example, let's say that Kelly purchased a number for $100. If NumberBarn's profit is $25, your commission on that sale will be 30% of the profit, which is $7.50. To view this transaction, go to your vendor dashboard. Select Sell, then Referrals. There you will see the number purchased, the price, the commission earned, and the status of your earnings. Payouts are available under the Earnings tab 10 days from the sale date and can be applied to your account as a credit to use towards future purchases or payout via your PayPal account. Voila! Commission made for that awesome referral, and another happy customer walks away with a snazzy new number. Now we have two other types of transactions that I would like to make mention of. The following gives you the opportunity to bring in even higher earnings, so you definitely don't want to miss it. In this case, let's pretend you sold one of your numbers to Kelly. This is the part you won't want to miss. Again, the price for the number was $100. You receive your 75% commission for this sale, or $75. That leaves a 25% profit. And because this number was purchased through the affiliate link, you receive 30% of the remaining $25, or $7.50, for a total commission of $82.50. What an exciting opportunity to increase your earnings. In the third type of transaction, we have a license sign-up. In this case, let's say that Kelly used your affiliate link to license a number. The one-time setup fee was $10 with a monthly license fee of $10, for a total of $20 for the first month. After we pay the licensor their 75%, or $15, that leaves a profit of 25%, or $5. Your 30% commission is $1.50. Keep in mind that if someone licenses a number you own, you will receive a total commission of $16.50 for that first month. It's also important to note that you will receive a commission on licenses from the affiliate link on the setup and monthly recurring fee for the first month only. To view this transaction, you will find the number under the License tab if you are the licensor, as well as under the Referrals and Earnings tab. If the licensor is NumberBarn, you will only see this number under the Referrals and Earnings tab. As you can see, there are multiple ways to increase your earnings using the affiliate link tool, and we want to help you make the most of these. If you have any lingering questions, as always, you can reach out to our helpful ranch hands at support@numberbarn.com. We hope this tool aids in boosting your sales and allows you to continue to grow in your own endeavors. Thanks for watching, and best of luck to you from all of us at NumberBarn.